Hey girls, so this wig is beautiful, right? Before we actually get into styling this wig, I want to focus a little bit on the hairline. So this is a crystal lace, which is also a high-end Swiss lace. Now this type of lace is more durable and more recoverable than an HD lace. So basically it's going to be a lot more friendly towards styling and everyday wear compared to an HD lace that is a little bit more delicate. Also with this crystal lace, it lays flat and the lace is so transparent. You can honestly see straight through it. I'm going to make sure I zoom in on the hairline throughout these next couple of clips just so you girls can really get into this hairline and see what it do. Now let's talk about this parting, honey, because you see the way this comb is just parting through this hair. So let's talk about it. This is a 13 by 6.5 lace frontal wig. So basically you get 6.5 inches of parting space, and I can definitely tell this wig has way more parting space than 6 inches just by how far back the parting space goes. So let's go ahead and move on to this melted hairline. And I'm going to zoom in on the clip just so that you can see all of the stuff that I'm mentioning in this video, because this wig is giving exactly what I am reading on the details. So when it comes to the melted hairline, it is a less obvious knots. It has been pre-sewn to the traditional hairline, and it's supposed to look just like your own hair. Now, me pushing the hairline back on this lace, it definitely looks like my hair is smooth. It's not too thin. It's not too full. The knots on this wig is invisible. Like, I don't see any knots at all. And I love the way the lace lays on my skin. Do you guys see how clear this is? Like, I couldn't even find the lace. Like, I struggle a little bit in this clip trying to pick up the lace because it just literally melts into my skin. This is crazy. Also, I want to mention that this wig does not come with a pre-plucked hairline, but you definitely don't need to do anything to this lace. But because I wanted to do baby hairs coming out, I did go in and thin out the section that I was going to be using the baby hairs on. So you definitely don't have to pluck this wig at all, as you saw earlier in the video when I was showing the parting space and the actual hairline on the wig. Okay, so if you watched my last wig install video, then you would know the girl has improved on curling and layering her hair. So baby, I'm finna play it out. Do you hear me? I am about to give y'all every type of wig curling video it is in style, whatever, girl. I'm about to just give it to you, so just be ready. So for today's look, I'm just doing a bust down middle part and some big fluffy curls. Okay, so this is one of the styles that I decided to do with this wig. Like I said, I finally learned the right technique of layering my hair and curling my hair. And baby, listen, I am going to wear this style all the way out because I have literally been waiting for years to try to get my hair fluffy like this. So, yeah, this is one way that I can wear this wig. Now, for my girls who don't like big hair, you know I got you, sis. So basically what I'm doing here is just combing out the curls and look at the beautiful waves in this wig. Now, like I said, the girl has definitely stepped it up with the layering technique, but baby, look at how this hair still holds its curls. It's just like a looser curl instead, and it is just still absolutely gorgeous. Honestly, I don't know which style I like the best, the fluffy look or like the loose wave look. Either way, it's a vibe. This wig, the lace, the texture, everything is so bomb, y'all. I'll make sure I have all the information below. Thank you so much for watching today's video, and I'll see you girls in the next one. Bye.